Imagine a country where the lights never go out, the air is clean, the factories hum with renewable power, and every bus and tuk-tuk runs on electricity. Sounds like sci-fi? Nope. It's a plan we can start today. Let me walk you through the step-by-step blueprint to transform an entire country to renewable energy. First things first, leadership. We set up a national transition authority, a war room that cuts through red tape. Then we define clear targets. How much solar, how much wind, how many EVs, how much storage, year by year. We also build a national data room, so investors, utilities, and citizens can all see the same numbers. And of course, tell the story. Cheaper power, cleaner air, more local jobs. Next, we run the models. We look at every scenario. What if industry electrifies? What if hydro runs dry? The output, a least cost, least regret pathway. Then we update the grid rules for renewables and batteries, design new contracts for investors, and set up the money. Green bonds, blended finance, subsidies for the poorest households. Now we roll up our sleeves, upgrade transmission lines to carry renewable power, modernize the distribution grid with smart meters and control systems, build storage, batteries today, pumped hydro tomorrow, and kick off big renewable auctions with transparent bankable contracts. While doing that, we secure land responsibly, protect nature, and share benefits with communities. Here's where the impact really shows. Industry switches to clean electricity for heat and processes. Public transport goes electric with buses and charging corridors. Households shift to induction cooking and efficient cooling. Waste turns into biogas. Every sector starts running on clean power. By year 5 and beyond, the system is resilient. We bring in offshore wind, long-duration storage, modernized hydropower, and only then, maybe some green hydrogen for fertilizer and shipping. In the first 24 months, create the transition authority, publish targets, launch auctions for solar and wind, start grid upgrades, roll out rooftop solar financing, procure electric buses, and begin industrial energy audits. These are fast, visible wins that build momentum. One smart move, use one district as a live demo. Let's say 500,000 people, 100 factories, 1,000 small businesses. Power it with a mix of rooftop solar, wind, batteries, and e-buses. Reduce grid losses. Put every step on a public dashboard. When people see it work locally, the whole country follows. The bottom line? This isn't just about electricity. It's about sovereignty, jobs, health, and pride. With good governance, clear targets, and disciplined execution, any country can make the leap. Renewable energy isn't the future. It's the plan we can start today. If you want to see more deep dives on big ideas like this, hit subscribe, smash that like button, and let's keep building a brighter future together.